I don't know what we doing. All right. How you doing? All right. So we shooting at my house.
He's second camera operator. You AD.
I'm AD or DP. Because AD is assistant director. I thought is Katrina doing AD? All right. All right. So we are shooting our first feature film. It's about to be dope. GR Guys Productions. But yeah, we about to go set up these lights. Do a quick time lapse on the Osmo. Peace. So we gotta make daytime into nighttime for the shot. So I got black trash bags. I'm gonna tape them over the windows. We already taped the one in there, but I didn't get a shot of that. I was so busy taping that I forgot to shoot that. But yeah, it's gonna be sick. Hey, can you pass my tape, cameraman? Thank you. We just wrapped first scene of the day. We about to head to the next spot after we clean up and pack the gear. Which is I shouldn't be vlogging, I should be helping. We at Dump and Swat, second location.
Dump and Swat.
With Kat. I don't even know if the camera's facing you. Maybe it is.
Maybe it isn't.
Maybe it's not.
I've never been here before.
I've been to the last location.
Film life.
Haven't been to the new spot, but this looks dope though. Time for an epic B-roll sequence.